admit the subject persons to bond who are already on bond and the cash paid from the High Court, then this serious constitutional question be answered by the High Court. Then we can come back to you and tell you that, Your Honor, the High Court has directed that you can proceed or that matter is settled. That is one thing that I want the court to appreciate.
You're not even as counsel proceeds. We understand. This is an interjection. I'm allowed
I never interrupted you. Please. He has no audience, Your Honor. If you say no,
yes,
he has no audience when I'm speaking.
What do you have to say, Mr. Wish?
My interjection is we understood senior counsel to be responding to our arguments. He can only do so on a point of law and cannot raise a new issue. The issue of sending a reference to the High Court did not arise. How do we get a chance to do that?
Then he misunderstood the application by Ndubi. Ndubi said this is charge sheet.
And number two, Your Honor, Senior, I'm not done. With respect, Senior, you're my friend. Hatujakosana?
No, hatujakosana.
Number two is that you're being told about the issue of an order. You're not being told that any one of us here was served with any order. And the nature of that order. We haven't seen the order.
You have the
and
order.
That has been raised again in response.
There is an order from the High Court.
So we plead that the court takes charge of its proceedings and ensures that the rules of the game are respected.
Actually, what you're saying, you have to make a determination of that.
Your Honor, I've given you a copy of the order and I've given Mr. Mule a copy of the order. So the High Court admitted through habeas corpus number E 4270 of 2023 gave the applicants, the subjects cash pay of 100,000 shillings. I've given you a copy. Have you given me? Yes. So that one I wanted to raise it after. But now that in the course of arguments, it is important that you are aware. And we served it to their email address immediately. Yes. Yes. So these subjects are already admitted to 100,000 shillings. So what we are saying is this, Your Honor.
I've seen from the charge sheet, there were those are issues we raised when what I've seen, they have made an application to oppose one of the things to be released on board. Tell us why
we wait, yeah, that one. I have not mentioned that. And you can see I'm very organized and systematic. I've not mentioned anything which has not been mentioned by Mure or Ogut, because I'm replying. So I know my boundaries. So what I'm saying is this, Your Honor. These constitutional aspirations are not just paper aspirations. They are meant to be enforced. It is the courts which enforce them. And that is the enduring value in our constitutionalism. That's why people respect us that Kenya is governed by the rule of law. But if police are allowed to just come and arrest you and they brand you with anything, even when you have never smoked in your life, they will say you were found with Musokoto. And that's a lie. And it must be said, all a lie. And yet we carry Bibles to the church on Saturday and Sunday. So let me concentrate on my reply. So what I'm saying, Your Lordship, is this. If you look at the section 134 of the CPC, it is very clear. That's I understood Mr. Ndubi to be saying that when you bring a charge before a trial magistrate, the statement of the charge and the material particulars must be so clear so that the suspect is able to appreciate what charges are being laid against him. Then he is able to understand and prepare. If it's a matter that can take him to the gallows, he appreciates that fact from day one. That is what I understood my learned colleague raised. So, and looking at the charge sheet, on the face of it, there is a problem. The material particulars and the statement of the offences is not even consistent. It does not comply with the section, Article 50, Clause 2B of the Constitution, which is very clear. 2B is very clear. The statement of the offence and the material particulars must be very specific so that it's understood. That is what counsel was saying, that this charge sheet does not meet that legal threshold. So, what are we saying? As at the moment, there is no proper law of charge sheet disclosing an offense before you to warrant you to take the charge. Your duty now under Article 1, Clause 3, I think C of the Constitution, as read with Article 159A, is you have powers from the people of Kenya. You declare that these subjects go home on reasonable cash bail. They will attend court or CID, whatever they want, wherever they want them to report. But they will report as and when needed until proper charges are brought. Not these concocted charges, Your Honor. This is a democracy. So we are beseeching you, if you look at our Article 10, look at the preamble, look at the Article 20, Clause 1, and I want you to read them. When you read them, it says, state officers, including judicial officers, are obligated to preserve, promote, fulfill, and protect the suspects. Yes. So, Your Honor, you are not writing, but I hope you read.
No.
Yes, I can observe. I'm a good student of
What I'm saying is,
jurisprudence.
the principles and values of governance, I know them.
Because if you are not writing, how will you remember?
I will remember.
After we finish it, you will have nothing in the record. Yes. So what I'm saying is this. We have come before you. The Lord of Abraham, Isaac, and Jacob has given you this position to be here now, today, so that the history is on your side. You can either build yourself so that you are a better and excellent judicial officer, or you can also be among the statistics that you once served in the judiciary and you never became.
I don't
That
know
is a fact.
The court should take.
Yes.
I'm not recording that.
Yes.
So, I don't want us to take a lot of time. How to determine these issues you have raised just now to write a simple report. And I think I'll end there, Mr. Objection.
Yes. In fact, what we are saying, Your Honor, since already this speaker has been admitted to bail,
It's okay.
you cannot entertain any application that they are opposing bail.
No, we have not even gotten to that
Yes.
issue of.
So I'm urging you that you make a finding that these charges violate Section 89(5) of the CPC, and you reject them, so that you give further orders.
I've recorded all that.
Yes.
There is an issue which was raised when they were